It's another beautiful day in Florida on a Monday. No, it's Thursday. Day off. And I'm just with my baby in the hood. Neighborhood. Going to, actually, up the street, taking her to my cousin's house to babysit her. A little excited at Dorothy being in her chair. Going somewhere she's never seen her this way or seen her out of her bed. She's a bandit. She's like who is this? What is going on? She's not used to her being in a different environment, obviously. And it's freaking her out. But she thinks she owns it all. Okay, I've got my green tea frappuccino. I hope you can hear me. I love this stuff. Coconut milk in here and 2 squirts of raspberry, none of which Precious can have. She's pretty content. It took me like 30 minutes to get her harnessed up. So we're going to go and get her a new harness. And we are at Target again. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm all muffled up. So we're going to go and get something for her because she's gotten kind of fat. She was 2 pounds when I got her. She's 6.5 pounds almost now.
Have a nice one.
Okay, so we're going to get her a new dark harness. Not this pink thing. I got this from Amazon. We're going to go and get her a leash harness. So when she goes walking, she's so spoiled. And we'll find it and I'll show it to you once I get there. Okay guys, I'm looking at clothes here now. I came in here to get a new leash harness for Precious, and I see dresses. Kind of hard to maneuver. I should have brought my Kodak. So we're vlogging as she bumps, as she jumps, as she moves to the left and to the right in her body harness. Look at Precious, all content. I think she wants that, but she can't have any. Smile, cameras. Smile for the camera. Vlogging. Whoa. Hey, something's always catching my eye. Precious is fascinated with this Rusty Z Lightning McQueen racer. She likes it. Oh, Barbara in there. Okay, she's not that interested. Oh, look at this. I can get this for my real human. The mini Kittyland activity plane. Let's see, is there a way to get a little sample of this? I guess you need the batteries. Right. Batman. I got this deluxe bunny that talks. I think Precious likes this one. She's licking my hand. You like that one, Mommy? Yes. Yes, it's a clearance for $17.98, 18 bucks. She likes big toys, even if they're not dog toys. Yeah, I think I might get this. Okay, guys, we're on the look for swimming pools, just to put one in the backyard as opposed to going to a community pool. And we're looking. We're still searching. Somewhere in here. He said near trucks. Did I pass the trucks? Okay, YouTube friends, we found some toys for human babies, but Precious loves toys. of all types. And we're going to find out which one she likes. Let's see. Do you like this one? Hold on. Let me flip the switch. So, I also found this one, this Elmo's World. It sings. You like this one? Or do you like the Cookie Monster? He vibrates. Which one do you like? Which one do you want? This one, or this one? Or all three? This one.
Hey man, let's go look for Ducky. I miss him.
Tell me, which one do you think she should get? Cookie Monster, Elmo, or this funny bunny? Comment below for my precious doggie. She loves toys. She likes them big. She thinks she's a German Shepherd. Okay, guys, I was looking for the pools. They don't have them now, maybe in a couple of weeks. So we can have a backyard little pool for her. Again, as opposed to going to the beach and or to the community pool. So we're on the search for dog toys. But I'm going to get this Elmo thing for her. Okay. Vlogging today. Oh yeah, we have space. So I can tell Precious likes this one because of her number of lips. So she likes this one. And now we're looking for the dog toys. Should have gotten her some chicken, but I'll do that later. And some more cheese. Classic mild cheddar. I think I have enough cheese at home. So we're looking for... Okay. So let's go. Okay, guys. We see the puppy toys here are kind of limited. Unless there's another shelf. Corn on the cob, which dogs should not eat. We got carrots, which I feed her often, but they pale in comparison to the Elmo human toy. I think we'll stick with that. What do you think? Okay, so we had fun at Target. So we're gonna get in the car. There's a lot of stuff back here, guys. Oh, let me get my key. It's fun maneuvering all this stuff. Okay, we got our stuff from Target. Okay. So, in the slow-mo and in the fast-mo, this is Elmo for my puppy. Yeah, it's for a kid. I got some toys that I'm going to send to some relatives. But my doggie just loved it. She started licking my hand. Oh, Elmo. Elmo, smarty friend. Does he work?
Hello!
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yay! Like, comment, or just subscribe. I use this knife to open this stuff up. Can't get it with holding the camera. Goodness gracious, I need a third arm, but that would be odd, wouldn't it? Free at last, free at last. He's free at last. Let's. He loves little Precious. She just loves her, Elmo. Let's see. Don't bite me. I just bought the toy.
So you
I think it's a win-win for Precious. Thumbs up. I gotta get those nails done. Corona nails.
Elmo can't wait to play with you again.
Oh, she likes it. She likes it. Give mommy a kiss. 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 Mwah. Now she's trying to bite me. I'm just trying to get my Precious her new leash and harness because she grew out of that thing, as I told you, and I got this from Walmart, and I'm trying to get her because she bites. Yes, she bites. Stop biting me. I can't wait till a training school for dogs opens up. I tried other YouTube places, but I need a professional for this little girl. And she's been crying because she's so spoiled. That's why this is all brown around here. But a groomer will get that nice and clean. I just don't want to get shampoo in her eyes. Although I got the oatmeal, no phosphates shampoo for dogs. But I need no more tears. I hope that'll work. So I'm still trying to get this thing on. So she's giving me a hard time. And I can't film, of course, and get it on her. But I'm going to get that second ring, and we're going to go for a walk with her new leash. Mission accomplished, at least today, for getting her a new one that'll fit. But actually earlier I put this thing on and somehow she slipped right out of it. At least it has the head, left and right arm instructions as opposed to the other one. So this is me and Precious. Like this video, drop a comment or 2 or 3, share with your friends and family, hit the notification bell, and subscribe as always. Thanks guys for watching. Precious, are you gonna let me finish this? You're gonna ouch. You're gonna stop biting me. See all these marks? That's from Precious. Her little bites. What do you do to stop a dog from biting you if you've had a Maltese? Anyway, likes this video. Yeah, there you go. Again, and bye for now. Say bye, Precious. Oh, I can't just let you guys go. Oh, faded out for no reason. Her Elmo, this is for a real human baby, but she likes it. She likes it. She likes this one. She likes it. She likes Elmo. She's like, ooh, ooh. Bye for now, guys. For real. No fake out.
To play with you again.
Cute, looking so cute. Little superstar. Ooh, look at those teeth. She likes biting mommy. No, now she knows she's on camera. She's going to lick me. She's not going to sink those teeth into me. There's your new one. All right, I'm trying to get her to learn how to touch that part. She just loves her Elmo. Let's see. Don't bite me. I just bought the toy. I think it's a win-win for Precious. Give mommy a kiss. Kiss. Kiss.